For style number 1, I'm using this beautiful DIY vase with a set of white roses and the remote control holder, which is a beautiful box I got from Ross, and of course a DIY floral arrangement which I am totally in love with. I got this decorative tray from Ross as well. If you are not following me on Instagram, please do well to do so, because I showed the process of the DIY of the white vase on Instagram. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Day, the mom, the boss. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing amazing, because I am doing great. In today's video, I'm showing you guys decorative styles, how to decorate your coffee table, glamorous looks. Guys, I am obsessed. Please, if you are not following me on all my other social medias, please do well to do so. All links are down below in the description box. Now let's go over to style number 2. Tell me your impression of style number 1 as well.
You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it.
For style number 2, I'm going in with this beautiful glass vase from Z Gallery and the florals I got from Michaels. This book was gotten from Amazon and this greenery from Ross. I am going in with this gold leaf tray. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this tray and this gold leaf candle holder. Guys, why are you not obsessed? Because I think I'm obsessed. I am loving this for style number 2. You guys tell me what you think about the first 2 styles so far, because I am obsessing over them. Even though the first 2 are really not my favorite of all 5, you guys are gonna see what my favorite is, but I am in love. What do you guys think? I'd like to know in the comments down below.
Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So before we get on to style number 3, I have this beautiful package which I got in the mail from GAFROMAP. Guys, it is so beautiful and well packaged. They have this customizable location map thing that is going on their website, and you can choose whatever location. You can even choose your home. You can choose whatever location you want, and it's going to customize a beautiful map for you. I mean, this is good for memories because you always remember the places. Look at how excited I was when I opened it. It looks so beautiful and the quality is amazing, well packaged. Please do well to check their website out, because I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. And of course, they are having a sale going on right now. Please do well to check them out and thank me later. So guys, let's get on to style number 3. For style number 3, we'll be going in with this beautiful geometric vase and greenery, and of course again our decorative tray with our beads on it. Guys, my table is square and I decided to go in with the shape of the table to decorate for this style, and I am obsessed because this is all there is to it. Very airy, very straight to the point, well thought out, very intentional, and of course beautiful. You guys tell me what you think about style number 3, because I love it and I am in love. I think the last 2 styles are my favorites. I think style number 4 is my favorite. That's what I think. But let's get into it. I am in love with style number 3. You guys tell me what you think about this beautiful vase. I'm thinking to spray paint it white so that it can go with the aesthetics of my home. So let's get ready for style number 4.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you.
For style number 4, I'm going in with this beautiful geometric vase as well. It's a very aesthetically pleasing vase, and my book holder, and oh, this coffee table book again. I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing it, but please don't get tired because I still have not explored using books on my coffee table as much as I would love to. So get ready to see it. And this beautiful glamorous setting. I think this is my favorite because, you know, guys, that I am kind of glam, but I am also modern and I am going towards minimal. So you guys, please don't come for me. But I think number 4 is actually my favorite because there's only one thing number 4 is lacking for me is the usability of number 4, because I like to be able to use the space, especially for my TV. You know, this room right here is my living room and sitting room, family room where we watch TV, and I always like to have that remote control box, but I have a side table which that can go on. So you know what, I think this is my favorite. This is my favorite of them all. You guys tell me what you think, because number 4 is my favorite.
Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way.
And if you're enjoying the video so far and you're not subscribed, please do it to hit that subscribe button and of course the notification bell so you would always be notified every single time I upload videos like this. Please share this video with your friends. Comment your favorite table style down below. I would love to see it. Thank you guys so much for your constant support for my oldies but goodies. I just love you and I heart you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So for style number 5, I'm going in with this glamorous vase and these florals. I love it, guys, and I love that I brought back my box for my remote controls. And of course, this glamorous arrangement. Guys, tell me what you think about style number 5. For my glam girls, I think you love this, but I don't have a lot of stuff because, again, I told you guys I'm going minimal, but I want clean, neat, chic look, well thought out spaces. You tell me what you think about this because I love it. I am in love. So if you've enjoyed this video so far and you've watched up to this point, please comment glam down below. I would love to see it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. I love you. I heart you. I don't know how to say thank you for all the love you've shown me. Please do well to check my other videos down below, and I would love to see you comment your favorite style down below. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in our next video. Bye. Mwah.
We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us. Still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.